With a population of 400,000, Zurich is the capital of the canton of the same name and at the same time Switzerland's largest city. With 1.3 million people in the overall conurbation of Zurich, the city and canton have relied for decades on public transport and boast the world's most advanced compound operations control system. The canton of Zurich and its neighbouring regions, on a total of 1,839 square kilometres, make up the total area covered by the Passenger Transport Association of Zurich, ZVV, with over 40 transport companies. The total area of the association is divided into 8 transport companies in charge of their own markets, plus numerous small and mid-sized transport agents. With more than 1,000 vehicles, they transport over 620 million passengers a year. ZVV is in charge of strategic management, association-wide marketing and financing of public transport. In addition, it ensures that one ticket for everything applies in Zurich as a residential and business area. We are here in the control centre of the Zurich transport companies. Mr. Fleury, head of this control centre, has made himself available for an interview. VBZ exercises a lead house function. This means a technical centre for elements such as radio transmissions or equipment inside vehicles and at stops. In addition, it heads a control system commission which combines all companies responsible for the market and where fundamental strategic and budgeting decisions are made. In day-to-day operations, it ensures centralised data gathering and distribution. The general deterioration of the traffic situation, especially during the rush hours, plus the resulting need for an increasing amount of information, are demanding our full attention. Another very time-consuming task is to improve operating conditions in order to minimize their impact on clients. The AVLC enables us to continuously register the current operating conditions, and thus also our level of service, and then to take the appropriate action. This includes, for instance, customer information or interventions in ongoing operations. New operations control centres have been set up and all the data comes from one single source. The launch has resulted in the standardisation of the equipment inside the vehicles and at the displays at stops. Customers benefit from unified information installations such as real-time announcement systems, protected transfers, displays at stops, and improved incident management. The systems now in service fulfill our expectations. They enable efficient operations management on the basis of data and voice communications, plus targeted incidents management. Customers benefit from prompt and consistent information. Basically, a high system uptime and performance. The reliability and speed of voice and data radio communications is absolutely crucial. This is the only way we can manage traffic well. For instance, the location data that's determined must be trustworthy and incorrect passenger information must be prevented. Further downstream, various evaluations must be possible to optimize our services. In the future, it must also be possible to modularize certain components. It is crucial for us to be able to benefit from the proven close collaboration and direct access to the developers at Trapeze to tackle problems quickly. We also expect a certain longevity and continuity of the systems, plus declining maintenance costs. Of course, in the future, we also want to benefit from the innovations and further developments of Trapeze. We would be glad, as we have proven in the past, to include our own know-how to make our own contribution to further refining the systems.